Welcome all. This short video is about one of the most famous German city, Heidelberg. Heidelberg is a beautiful town on the Neckar River and located in southwest of Germany. In this video, I will show you Heidelberg city from Neckar River. The city is famous for quite a few things. The most famous ones are its red stone castle, or in German language it's called Schloss. The university, which is founded in 14th century, the beautiful Neckar River and its old town. And most importantly, famous Pakistani poet and philosopher Allma Mohammad Iqbal had also stayed and studied in Heidelberg. As mentioned previously, Heidelberg is located around the Neckar River. So, Neckar River is 362 kilometers long and connects Heidelberg to its neighbor city Mannheim and Heilbronn, which also connect Neckar River to Germany's biggest river, the Rhine River. The city is full of greenery and famous for its landscape beauty. If you ever get the chance to visit Germany, please pay a visit to this beautiful city. It's worth spending a day here. So enjoy the music and visuals. Also, if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe buttons. And for my latest videos, don't forget to press the bell icon button as well. Thank you for watching, visiting and appreciating my channel.